Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how to remove the security code for Nokia 105 2019. As usual, we have here one sample which is requesting for a security code which we don't know. So in order to remove it, I'm going to use Furiousgold box and SPD service tool from pack 2. So let's power it off. Now we are going to select from the models our model, Nokia 105, and at operations I'm going to choose format file system and press connect. Now we are going to press the keys 4 and 7 and insert the USB cable in the powered off phone. So plus and 7. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. Done, as you can see. Now let's check the mobile. So as you can see, no code asked anymore. We are on the menu. So the security code got successfully removed. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Bye bye.